We talked about the present tense, which is the general tense for covering all period. Now let's talk about the present progressive tense, which is also called the present continuous tense in some books. The either term means the same thing. This is the form of the am doing, is doing, or are doing. So something that is happening right now at this moment as I'm speaking is going to be used with this tense. Actions that are happening right now, or it could be planned future action that is personal in nature. Okay, kind of like the train schedule, but if you're talking about something personal. So let's look at an example. Actions that are happening now, such as I am studying grammar right now. All right. So the different forms I'm not really going to talk about because I don't want to talk about things too basic. I am studying, he is studying, she is studying, they are studying. These are the different forms, and that's it. That's all you get. You get to use the present tense of the to be form of the verb, which is being used here as the helping verbs, and then that you add the ing form of the verb, the action verb that you want. Okay, and the other example is plan the future action and personal action. This is something that's going to happen, like the train arrives at 5 p.m. is the sentence that we looked at in the last video. Train arrives at 5 p.m. We use the arrives because this is a scheduled event, whereas she is arriving at 5 p.m. is what we would say if it's a person, a personal action. Okay, so that's the main difference. In terms of the tense diagram, whereas the present tense just kind of covers the whole spectrum here, the present progressive tense is really, it's about this particular one point right here. I am doing something right now as I am speaking something. Okay, as I am saying this sentence, this is happening, and that's a difference. That's a big difference between the two tenses.